Hi, my name is Mark Stensky from Matrix Packaging Machinery. I've been here 22 years and have been the service manager now for some time. We're a manufacturer of vertical form fill seal machines for all types of flexible packaging. Our machines are made in the USA and can produce a variety of bag sizes starting at 2 3/4 inch wide to 18 inches wide and up to 23 inches and beyond in length. At Matrix, our relationship is not over when a sale is done. Our long-term partnership includes continuing to support our customers with an in-house parts department and a large service team strategically placed throughout the U.S., as well as continued sales support for new equipment. We have extensive experience in many flexible packaging applications as we work within multiple vertical industries such as food, beverage, bakery, candy, coffee, tea, disinfectants and sanitizers, cold chain including freezer gel and freezer packs, dried meats, IQF, frozen foods, pet foods and treats, pharmaceuticals and nutraceuticals, snack foods, and more. At Matrix, we've often tailored our highly efficient packaging systems specifically for customers' needs, and we're committed to optimizing our flexible packaging solutions for customers on a global scale. In order to do this, Matrix partners with and is the master distributor for FL Techniques, which is also a Promoc brand, manufacturing horizontal form fill seal roll stock machines, INV Pack, which can produce stick packs and sachet machines, and Toyo Jidoki, which offers pre-made pouch machines in a very small footprint. Matrix is a product brand of Promoc, who's a global leader in packaging line solutions, and as part of the Promoc Flexibles and Trays business line, we can help our packaging customers protect and grow the reputation and trust of their customers. Feel free to visit us at matrixpm.com to learn more. Now we're going to be showing you our Matrix Bag and Bag machine, a really unique machine. We'll be sharing a couple of packaging applications doing coffee and candy paired with some interesting options. Let's start with packaging ground coffee. Here we're looking at a Matrix Elite Bag and Bag machine. Basically two machines sharing a frame, one above the other. This one's packaging ground coffee on the top section into heat sealable filter paper bags. You see the roll of filter paper on top, the roll of metallized plastic film on the bottom at the back of the machine. Here at the front, we're able to see the pull belts advancing that filter paper, vertical seal bar sealing it, the end seal jaws sealing the top and bottom of the bags and separating the two. When the bags drop into the funnel, the bottom section of the machine. On the bottom section of the machine, we again have pull belts advancing the film, vertical seal bar, horizontal seals making the end seals, knife separating, and the finished bag with a bag of filter paper and coffee inside go off the machine and up the conveyor. Top section and bottom section are each independently controlled through their own touch screens. Length set independently. Seal time set independently. All programs are saved into recipes and can be recalled for future runs. Here's a Matrix Elite Bag and Bag, running small bags of candy in registered bags in the top section, being fed by a scale, combination scale. Bags are registered with eye spots. The bottom section is running a large clear bag and the bottom bag holds 10 of the small bags from the top section. So the top section is running 90 bags a minute. The bottom section follows along and ends up running 9 since it's doing 10 to 1. Counts programmable on the touch screen. You can do 5 to 1, 10 to 1, whatever will fit in the bottom bag. So after 10 bags are counted in, the jaws close, make the seals, get 10 little ones to a big one. Touchscreen controlled. The top running at 90, bottom running. Here's the combination scale control screen. Here's another system running bag and bag with filter paper on top, putting ground coffee into the bag, some heat sealable filter paper, and then the bottom machine overbagging that, in this case in a clear plastic film. Has an auger filler from Speedy. Dispensing the appropriate amount of coffee into each of the filter paper bags. These filter paper bags are being made at 90 degrees to standard with the jaws mounted sideways and a squared around special jaw so that the cargo area in the filter bag is the round shape of the basket of the brewing machine. When the bag leaves the top section, it goes through a turning transition funnel that twists the bag or turns the bag 90 degrees to fit into the lower bag. And you can see the lower bag is clear, so you can see that filter bag being dropped down in as the jaws close each time. Here's the turning transition funnel. Pull belts advance the film, vertical seal bar makes the top the back seal, the jaws make the end seals. Touchscreen control for top and bottom. Temperatures, seal time, bag length, everything's set right on the touchscreen. Well, that video showed us several different bag and bag machines running, and some running ground coffee in a couple different formats, and also some snacks. Christine, we've got a little bit of time remaining. Are there questions?
We do have some general questions from customers. The first one is, how do you ensure transfer from the top bagger into the bottom bagger? the brown
Trans-
bag?
Transfer is direct. So the top machine, the bag is formed basically inside the forming tube, the top of the forming tube of the bottom machine. So when the top seals are made and the bags are cut and released, it's dropping straight down into that bottom bag. And the machines have communication with each other. So the top machine makes a bag if the bottom machine's ready to accept it. When the bottom machine sees that bag come down, it automatically goes through its cycle and bags it up.
What other applications besides coffee work well?
Yeah, we saw a couple different variations on coffee. In the filter paper format top bag, we've also run tea, but the top doesn't have to be filter paper. We saw some snacks going in there, so we've got snacks and trail mixes and things like that. I've actually run sample bags of dog food and cat food, where the top machine was bagging like a 1 ounce bag of pet food going into a 10-to-1 into the bottom over bag for that. So pretty much any product that you can package, if you want to do bag and bag, we can do that.
Can you run a single conventional bag without a master bag?
There may be times when you've got the bag and bag machine, but not a bag and bag application to run. And yes, you can run just the top section and make bags. In the coffee industry, for instance, people will run fractional bags, a 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce bag of ground coffee and just drop straight through the bottom machine and onto the conveyor. The top does have a slightly limited bag size range because it's always a smaller bag. We've also got machines equipped to be able to run only the bottom bag. And if you're using a scale discharge for frozen foods, things like that, you can drop the product straight through into the bottom bag and make just bottom bags if so desired.
Can you talk a little bit about the speeds for this machine?
Speeds on this machine are going to be pretty similar to any other Elite. It's going to depend on product and film and the application as much as anything. The machines are able to cycle at the same rates an Elite would. So you're running, for instance, some of the easier products to run, the ground coffees will run up into the 80 or 90 a minute as long as the heat sealable filter paper is able to cycle that quickly.
And how tall is this machine?
It's a tall machine. There are my notes. It is 107 inches tall. That is the base machine, and then the filler would be above that.
What is the largest roll diameter that the Elite will run?
Roll diameter, standard roll diameter maximum is a 14-inch diameter roll. There are some things that can be done to expand that if necessary. But beyond that, the rolls tend to get pretty heavy. So, and some people have a roll lift or similar device. So if that's the case, we can make some changes to the machine to go beyond that.
And the last question we have is, can you get the Elite in an all stainless steel format?
Yes. Yeah. The Elite can be done all stainless steel. And then also step beyond that can also be done wash down. I think that's about it. I think we're about out of time. Thanks for watching our demo, for taking and spending some time with us during PACK EXPO Connects. If we didn't get to your question, we'll be following up with you. And in the meantime, for more information or to connect with us, please visit our showroom at pe.show/300 or visit our website at www.matrixpm.com.